Want to stop Facebook Messenger from saving your secret chats? In this video, I'll walk you through each step to turn off end-to-end encryption. Let's start. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap the three-line icon. That will open the main menu. Now, look to the top right corner and tap the gear icon. That takes you to your settings. Scroll down a little and tap on the option called Privacy and Safety. It's usually the fifth one down in the list. Next, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Now you're going to tap the first option on that screen. It's called Message Storage. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this screen. There you'll see an option that says Turn off Secure Storage. Tap that. You'll see a message that says Secure Storage will be turned off on all devices. If that's what you want, go ahead and tap Turn Off. Keep in mind that this only turns off end-to-end encryption for this device. To fully turn it off from other devices, you'll need to do a few more steps. Go back one screen, and this time tap the second option that says Security Alerts. Then tap on View Logins. This will show you a list of all the devices where you've logged in to Messenger. Pick one of the devices from the list, like Chrome, for example. Scroll to the bottom and tap Log Out. This removes that device and stops encrypted messages from being stored there. Repeat that step for each device you want to remove. That's it. You've now turned off end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger for this device and logged out from others to stop encrypted access. Thanks for watching.